Hi, my name is Michael. I'm a product manager on the Office team. As many of you know, Office 2010 extends the Office functionality to the web. Today is a real milestone for people who use Office and Windows Live. We are starting a technical preview of the online versions of Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, otherwise known as the Office web apps, integrated into your Windows Live SkyDrive experience. Over time, and as the final versions are released, the Office web applications become available to over 500 million users of Hotmail, Messenger, and other Windows Live services. Let me show you a demo. I'm now in my Documents folder on SkyDrive. You can see I have a variety of different Office documents in there. Let's take a look at the Word web application. I just opened up a file that a friend shared with me, and what you see in the browser is just the same as you'd see in the desktop application. You get page numbers, you get high-fidelity pictures, you get tables. You're also able to open up this document in the desktop application, and you're also able to print. Here's a PowerPoint document that I created and I shared with friends. One of the great things about PowerPoint web app is that whatever I create on the desktop application carries over to the PowerPoint web app. I get transitions and animations, my smart art. I can also open the PowerPoint in the desktop application. I can edit my PowerPoint file. I can add new slides. I can insert pictures and smart art. And one of my favorite features about PowerPoint web app is the ability to take your presentation on the go. And whether you're using a PC or a Mac or Internet Explorer, Safari, or Firefox, you always have your presentation ready to go and present. Here's an Excel spreadsheet that I created for Joe and I to go work on donations for a local charity. All the richness that you would expect from the desktop application carries over to the Excel web app. You get tables and graphs and the conditional formatting, all the things that you expect from Excel. So let's give an example for Joe and I working together. Now we're going to go edit the document. So we're sitting in a coffee shop, or it really could be around the world. And we've talked, and Coho is not going to pledge $200, but they're actually going to pledge $500. And one of the things you'll notice happen is not only is the chart updating, but also you're seeing the conditional formatting change as well. You can do other additional formatting, you can insert tables, and you can really, again, get all the same richness that you would expect from the desktop application. Here I'm showing co-authoring in the Excel web app. On the left is my screen in Internet Explorer, and on the right is Joe's screen in Firefox. So Joe and I are working together. We're talking about all the different pledges and sponsors. For Coho, we're talking in real time, and I think that Coho is actually going to pledge $500. You see that change on my screen, and then immediately you'll see that change reflected on Joe's screen. Thanks for spending the last few minutes learning about Office web apps. Hopefully you've seen how Office web apps let you work from anywhere, work together, and extend Office to the web, whether you're at home, at school, or at work. Stay tuned, there's much more to come.